Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video, which is of this. It's the R150 reciprocating saw from Evolution products. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Take it out of the box. See what we've got here, and usual stuff here, Evolution, and set up the tool. Tool here. Look at that, there we go. Have it. And that's it, we've got an empty box. That's just a battery guide, an Allen key, and the actual tool. Here. Oh, it's quite a beast, isn't it? Lovely looking thing. Inside the box, the very last thing, a couple of blades that you get with it. Okay, you get a thin steel one and a multi-purpose blade. Okay, so you get the two. Comes without a battery. I have one here that I've obtained with the electric drill that I'm using on this, the third tool now, and obviously it slips in there. We're on, and safety trigger. Good thing about the battery I didn't show you on earlier samples was that you do get a kind of gauge there, and it shows how much battery is left, which is a great idea. Few simple features then, obviously on off switch here, it won't go until the lock off switch is pushed, so you have to push that and that, okay, the trigger, both at the same time. Variable speed, so you can adjust the speed of the cut by the amount you pull on the trigger there. Now when you're putting a saw blade in, I very much say take the battery out in case, alright? It's just safety first really, just in case you have to catch both triggers while you were doing it. No, it shouldn't happen, but it can. So what we're looking at there is this Allen key. What does that do, and how does the blade go in? Inserting the blade in, pretty easy. As I say, make sure the battery's out. Twist that lever around your finger there, you can see that little locking lever. So twist it round and lock it in. You'll feel it go all the way to the end and let go of the lever. It's locked, so you can put it like that and you know it's got a grab on it. Okay, so it's fairly simple, and obviously when I want to change the blade again, finger on there and it will release it, just pull out easy. Okay, that little hole engages it right down inside, and you know you've got it because it goes right flat in. Can't mistake it there, and then when you let go it's grabbed it. This Allen key here then adjusts the contact plate here, so fairly simple. There's two Allen key slots in the bottom there. Loosen it off, one, and then loosen the other one off, and then you'll get movement on this contact plate like so, so you can adjust it for whatever material you're working on. So pretty simple. Once it's in place, lock it back up again and you're good to go. Nice and simple, easy tool. So let's get on it and see how it works with the different materials we've got ready for it. Okay, going to try this little bit of wood first, bit of skirting wood, nothing much I know, but it's just to show you the saw cutting. And don't forget, before you use any power drills at all, eye protection, ear protection. Okay, safety first guys, don't forget that. Now let's try this out. Very easy. So, piece of plastic pipe. Bingo. Okay, so now I'm going to try it on this thick piece of metal channeling here. You can see that's nice and thick to cut. And what I've done is changed to the thinner, shorter blade for this one because it's more attuned for cutting metal. So let's see how we get on. Put on there. Pretty quick, pretty easy. This now leaves us with those that would like to see the specifications of the machine. Just still the video and look at your leisure. Right, well that just leaves me to say, as I said with the other two Evolution power tools that I'll put the link to, that if you decide you'd like one of these machines, great as they are, I know, lovely aren't they, you can use a code to get 10% off if you order before the 31st of May. and that code is Deriton33. Yes, it's all capitals and all one word, okay? And if you put that in when you buy the item before the 31st of May, you will get 10% off. Now I know some of you may be watching this video well after the 31st of May, and if you are, don't worry, you still get 5% off, okay? And as a little bonus to me, so you're helping me too, I also get 5%. Great, isn't it? So there we are, anyway, great tools, enjoyed doing them, and hope you enjoyed them too, and I'll catch you on my next video. Keep tuned, Deriton33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.